1988 Chevy Iroc. Factory T-top car. 5.7 liter. Nice red paint. Decals look great. T-top's nice and clear. Power steering, power brake car, power windows. Power driver's seat. Showing 83,000 original miles. Doors close great. Body lines are really nice on the car. Paint, like I said earlier, shows very nice. Front spoiler's clean, no cracks. Come check out our 88 Iroc at North Shore Classic Cars, along with nearly 100 other cars that we have on site. Thanks for looking.